Shalom, this is Yehudit from Tzfat. It's now after Havdalah here in Tzfat, and someone's having a malav amaka next door. So some music in the background. But I want to show you the movements for the 15th day and night of the counting 40-day count of blessings after Shavuos up through 17th of Tammuz. So today on the 15th day, the half of the word bracha is the letter for the day, and we're in the level of Segol. Chesed represents Chesed. So we've done, in the level of Chesed, we've done the Beit, the Resh, and now we're at the half level, which is, in terms of worlds, is the world of Yetzirah, of the emotions. In terms of level of soul is Ruach, level of soul, and the Segol, the Chesed, is the wide openness of loving kindness and abundance and being present to the incredible, beautiful openness of the universe for us, the gift of Hashem. So let's do the movements. The half, I'm going to go back to the half of the stepping back one, where you open out with your left foot back, the palms facing down, and come around. You're on your back foot and your right foot's heel with the toe up. You let your head bend into the curve of the top of the half. That's the half. And then you bring your right hand to your shoulder, your left you turn over, and you shift forward and shift back and forward and make the half. If you were to do a cuff here, you just do a little circle with the top hand. So you can see me, this hand would circle. Make that cuff. When you end, you just bring your foot forward. The other side, it looks like this. The fourth one. And then you bring the hand down and bring your foot forward to close. The Segol for Chesed is feet shoulder width apart, palms cross each other, right hand outside, come down and when you're up here, two hands are above you and your mouth is the third dot. Beautiful night like tonight. You can look up at the stars. Daytime. You can see the sky or the trees. One more. And then we combine the two 10 times, 10 active times for the 10 sefirot on the Tree of Life. Imaging in our physical body as we do the repetitions, the energy moving down through the body. So I'm going to face you to do this, starting with the half on the left side, opening, closing. This is for Ketcher. And I'm going to step to the left to do the Segol. So it's a kaf sound or a ches sound for bruchach. So it's a ha. That's how it sounds. But in terms of our exercise, it goes with a Segol at this level. So it's eh. So let's do this again. I wait to add the vowel. And Hakma is the right foot back. And to the right side for Segol. Left for Bina, left brain, understanding. Right arm, Chesed. Left side, left arm, Gevura, strength and power, setting boundaries and limits. And then for Sefirah that comes in the middle, for heart space, harmony and beauty, I'm going to do the first part on the left and then move to the right. And then for Netzach, perseverance, endurance, I'm going to go back right. Right leg. And stay on the right. Hold the left side, the refining quality, the yielding, splendor. And Yesod's in the center. This time I'm going to go to left for the letter and back to the right for the vowel. And for Malchut, also in the center, I'm going to do the reverse. Stepping back left and starting to the right for the vowel. That's the active part of Malchut, is the world of Asiya. And now letting Hashem breathe me as Malchut, as the receptive, receiving in order to give. And bringing the Yud-K, Vav-K through my body and grounding the energy of Chaf plus Chesed. You can just keep letting yourself be breathed until you really feel knees slightly bent, hanging from a string, so you really relax into that space that you've just created. Okay, so I bless us on this 15th night of the 15th day, that we, in our universe of our feelings, our Ruach level of soul, we may feel all the blessings of loving kindness and abundance and awareness of God's gift to us at every moment of our life. And may it all be for a blessing.